Good morning, it's Julie Q from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another pour today. I'm just doing another little test on this. It's only a 25 by 20 canvas. I have Mont Studio Acrylics for my base. This was just with my 70/30 craft glue and water. I have the pouring medium recipe and suppliers in the drop down box. So that's going to be my base, and I'm going to do a little flip and drag of a little cup, but with some different kinds of paints. So I'll get on with it. I'll get my little cup, and I'm using just one of these little shot cups. Actually, that might be too big for this little canvas. Might have to use a tiny little shot cup. I might go with that one, yeah, just in case. I don't want the paint to take over the whole canvas. I want to just see how it goes. First of all, I need to thank you guys so much, because I think by the time you're seeing this particular video, I'll be on 60,000 subscribers. So I've gained 10,000 subscribers in 5 weeks. That is absolutely amazing. And it's all thanks to you guys for watching me babble my way through my little art tutorials. And so I'm just very grateful for that. Very grateful for you subscribing, for you to watch my videos, to comment and give me a thumbs up. It's all free for you guys, and it helps me. So thanks again. Just thank you. Very appreciative of you all, beyond words. So if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I think it's down there somewhere. And thank you. Okie doke, let's get busy. So this is just the base that I'm putting on it, so let's get going. The birds are twittering out there. It's just a most gorgeous winter's day here in Queensland, Australia. So lucky to be in this country. I know we have wildfires and we have floods and all sorts of things happening, but you know, it's just an amazing country, and I'm so happy and proud to be in Australia during the COVID. It's, you know, we've certainly been very lucky to not suffer like some countries have. I'm not sure of the reasons why. Just maybe being an island helps, that the government stopped allowing people to fly in and out to give us a chance to control the virus. So that was a really good thing. But yeah, I hope you guys are all going okay. And I know there's different things happening all over the world, that some's scary, and you know, I'm just thinking about you all and hope that you're all getting through this the best way you can, like we all are, you know, trying to just get through it. So I feel the best way is, you know, for myself, is I haven't been watching too much news to upset me. I've been keep creating, going out for walks, playing with my dogs, just, you know, visiting family when now we're able. So just do what it takes to get you through it, guys. Okay, I'm just going to give it a quick whiz with the Wonder Wand to get rid of the air bubbles. Next, I'm going to load these little, I don't know whether to, yeah, no, I'll go with these. Got to load these little cups up with some paints that I have here. So, okay, this is Brilliant White with just plain old Floetrol, because it's what was left over from a previous pour. Now, this was some paint some folk art, metallic, sterling silver, metallic acrylic paint. So I have it left, and it's mixed with, I just tried a little bit of this Mont pouring medium because I had it here. So it is definitely a test to see how this all comes out. If I can open the lid. Why is the lid not opening when I must have opened it to put the, oh, maybe I just, this is what I must have done. There you go, that's so much simpler. So it's got that silver. Now this is a bit of, so I've got real mix of hodgepodge here. This is a bit of the primary elements, pigments, mixed with the pouring medium, and a little bit of the dragonfly glaze for even more bling. So there you go. And again, a little more bling in the dragonfly glaze and the primary element. So I've mixed different paints in these just to see how they all gel or they don't gel. So again, these were the primary elements with a little bit of that pouring medium. Now this is just white with Floetrol. I'll go back to this 24 karat silver. A little bit more Floetrol with the white. I don't know what I'm expecting. I don't know whether to do the flip and drag or to pour it out. What about okay, we'll go the flip and drag, flipping and dragging. So I'm going to just try and release it very, very slowly. Oh, look at that. Wowzers, trousers. Wow, okay. Look at those colours. That's pretty, oh my goodness, look at that cup. So there's got a bit of everything in there, but look at that lacing that's come through there. Now my little wonder wand, got this puppy's just come in with a big stick. Never mind. Give it a bit of heat, see what happens. Give it a little bit of a tilt around the joint and see what happens with this, but the colours are just glistening, so sheeny shiny. Not sure if that sterling silver really made anything happen, but oh well, look at those coming up in this. You're talking to me, little fella. Hey, you're talking to me. You're saying it's nearly coffee time, Mommy. Nearly coffee time, Mommy. Well, coffee for me, not for the dog. Don't worry, I'm not giving the dog coffee. Okay. Well, I might try and blow this out a little bit. gorgeous, gorgeous. It kind of looks like a marbly effect, like a marbling going on, but it's just these pigments, obviously, with the dragonfly glaze in them. They had a little bit of the dragonfly glaze, sheeny shiny, so that'll be interesting to see how that dries. So it was a bit of a flip and drag and an Aussie blow. There you go, flip, drag and blow. I will put some photos on at the end, and you let me know, you guys, how you think, or if you know anything that was any other secrets. Some people are telling me different things to try with these, so I'm willing to give most things a go. As you know, I'll try it, especially if it's genuine interest for something. See how it comes out. So I am noodling, as Kathleen Osmore. Noodles, and if you haven't seen Kathleen's channel, please do so. She's a lovely, lovely lady, and she does excellent work. Wow, I like it. I think that will come up just beautiful with resin on the top. But yeah, that was my little trial on a smaller canvas, but the colors are just glistening. So I'll bring my camera down for a closer shot, and there'll be all the photos in the end results. So not sure if that created much of a difference in there, but you can see some really nice lacing there. So yep, it could have. Now all the noise is going on with the bikes and whatnot. Try and give you a close-up of this. Look at that. It's very pretty, very delicate, sort of, yeah, like a slab of marble. Okay, thanks so much for joining me. Until next time, bye for now. Don't forget to wait until the end photos, and I'll see you again next time. Bye. Just decided to turn the camera back on. I was just wondering what it will look like doing a swipe over the whole lot. I did take a few photographs before I started to swipe. Now I've lost my swipey tool. Where did I? Oh, there we go. So I've just decided to run a bit of the white and a bit of the cinnamony colour and the pink down it, and just give it a swipe to see what I can bring up. Look at that colour. Wow. Wowzers. That is beautiful. Beautiful. Those colours are really shiny. Turn it around. The lacing. Look at this lacing here. It's just gorgeous. Just give it a little bit more. Oops, gone way over. Try and put a bit more of this colour in. That's gorgeous. A bit more of the cinnamony one. Well, it's just the most gorgeous, deep, sheeny, shiny red. I'll tell you, a small amount of this paint goes a very long way, because I've done, this is my third painting with just that small little mix made up. Let's see how I go with this. Wowzers. I don't know if you're seeing it in the camera, but the lacing that's coming up's just gorgeous. As this was just a little test canvas, so I felt I'll just run the camera and show you, but I will put some photos in between of what I am getting from this. Just noodling. add a bit of heat to that, see if I get anything. My little heat gun. Oh, wow. Now that silver's really coming up beautifully. So yes, if you've got a very small amount of paint and you want to, and you're doing, you know, testing, then go for it. Just keep trying different things with the one canvas, because that's how you will discover could be the new big next thing or whatever. You know, it just might be a really nice, cool effect that you've discovered as you've been playing along. So look out for the photos in the end. Thank you guys again. Bye for now. You can't believe it, can you? I'm back again. I've got some of this gold leaf, and I just thought, well, after I did that swipe, I blew it out again, trying another thing. I've got this gold leaf, so I just thought, oh, I wonder what the gold leaf would look like placed down the centre. So I'm getting the gold leaf, and I am just placing it on the wet paint, because hopefully, being the paint with the glue in it a bit, hopefully it will stick, or it's wet paint. Oh, I don't think there's only glue in the base paint actually. So I just thought, I wonder what it will look like, just to give me some idea to do something else that I've got in mind. So thinking if I can try it with this teeny tiny one to see how I go, at least the gold leaf might sink into this, I'm not sure, but I want to do one with a really maybe darker colour so the gold leaf stands out. But yeah, this gold leaf is very cheap from it's not real expensive. I think you can get it from my online store that I get my gear from. Not super duper expensive. I'm sure if you're in the US or England or anywhere else, there probably is an easier way of doing it than me, what I'm doing, fumbling away, because there's so many pieces all stuck together. So it seems a shame to, okay, I'll lay down there nicely. Just hoping it don't just get lost in there and just sink its little way in, but that's okay. I'm just trying new things all the time. I've got a few new tools I'm going to try the next few days too, so there you go. Okay, that's just added a little bit of bling in there. So I've come back and added a bit more bling. All right, wait till the end and see some photos. Thanks for joining me. Bye.